What is up, guys? Dumb Hamster here, or The Power of Crafting is my YouTube channel. I'm keeping that because I don't care. I don't want to restart it anymore. Anyways, so we're going to be doing duels for one reason. Whoever loses has to sing a firework on their channel. I'm scared.
You know.
Honestly, I'm just going to sing it as bad as I can. Because it would be so bad, it's good.
Okay, and whoever loses has. Oh, I just had really bad blacks. Like whoever loses, I just got all of it. So whoever loses has to sing fireworks, like you said.
And I honestly regret my life decisions because I'm probably gonna lose.
What am I doing? Okay, let's start it.
Okay, I'm going over. So we're doing deathmatch, correct? Isn't that the one we can do?
What is that?
It's no, it's just the. Oh no, it's just UHD duels. We're gonna do 1v1.
Oh. Okay.
All right.
I regret my decision.
You regret your decisions. I'm the one that's probably gonna lose
I'm
here.
lagging really badly.
Oh. Now's my chance. I probably should have done that. Oh crap! Now, please. I don't want to sing firework. I don't want to die. Are we gonna do more, or is that just gonna be the only one in this entire video?
One more, and let's do one more.
The best.
One more, and
best out of 3.
That one, whoever loses the next one, which is this one,
just best out of 3, okay?
Sing firework. This determines who will sing firework.
Stay away from it. I don't want anything to do with singing firework. But I'm the one who made the bet, so.
PvP.
Crap. I suck at PvP. Why did I do this? Summon this upon myself.
Yeah! I don't think fireworks.
Okay, so that means I have to make an entire new video singing firework. Okay, let's just keep playing.
Okay.
Let's just keep playing so we can have a longer.
Let's do one more actually.
Well, just so we can have a long video till like I usually do mine till 15 minutes because that's how long.
I'll make this about like 5 minutes because it's not really not very big. Okay, whatever.
I'm lagging too. A little bit. No. Well, I'm dead. GG. Sorry, there's cap locks on, so that's why I yelled. You wanna play again?
Cap lock.
It's only been.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Let's do a few more rounds, shall we?
Yeah, you just do that because you know you'll win.
I don't think it's fair. How I'm beating you, so we should do a couple more rounds.
Couple more rounds. I need to get better at PvP, but wait, no, stay still.
My recorder is.
Wait, I want to do a pun really quick, okay? Just stay still, okay? Please, I want to do a pun really quick, please. Please. Can I ask you a question? I'm gonna fight you with an axe!
Yeah, I'm surprised for you. Can I lava you?
No. Oh, crap. Hey! Please! Let me have this!
I never got this position!
Ree! I suck at PvP!
Let's do a few more. Okay, wait. I think we should do one more, possibly.
Possibly, oh no.
Let's do one more. Rematch it up.
Alright.
I'm just staying here wrecking you while, There's fire here. Let me just casually okay, let's make a campfire. No.
Let's make a camp. Let's all sit around the campfire and sing that campfire song. Blah, blah, blah. Hey, we're gonna sing the campfire song. Don't hurt me. We need to sing the campfire song.
Here, have some apples.
Oh, I already have I have my own. Okay, we need to sing the campfire song. Da 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 da.
I don't know the lyrics.
Me neither. So let's just burn it.
PvP.
I don't like PvP anymore. Hey, you want to do some 2v2s?
Did that combo you really badly?
What?
Did that combo you?
What do you say? Sorry.
Did combo you?
I think so.
I think I just combo you. So guys, go sing fireworks. Go, dude, go.
I'm doing that in a separate video.
Oh, okay. We have no idea what we're doing, so I really feel bad. So, yeah, you're gonna have to sing it right in front of my character. So.
Wait, what? I was no. This was meant. I'm gonna do it in another video. Cause I'm salty.
Wait, you.
Oh,
Stop
just like.
recording and sing it right in front of my.
No, here's the thing. I need to print out the lyrics. That's why I was gonna do it in a different video.
Search the lyrics up, okay? Search the lyrics up. Fireworks.
Okay.
Lyrics.
Okay.
Try my whole.
Firework. No, wrong. Okay. Firework.
Oh, you'd have to sing the whole entire
Lyrics. I'm not okay. Okay. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screen, but no, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you, and you gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show them what you're worth. Make them go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go, oh, 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 as you shoot you're gonna leave them falling down, down, down. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe the reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow. And when it's your time, you'll know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky.
Oh.
I'm so close to the end, yes! Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em falling down, down, down. Boom, boom, even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, 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 you're gonna leave 'em falling down, down, down. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon,
Done.
moon,
I
moon.
know it.
Okay, I'm done.
I heard that when you're singing that you're dying in the inside.
It's my voice cracked a lot during that.
Yeah. But apparently, I have to post it because it was the challenge. Don't
Yeah.
worry, I won't. I'm not gonna make fun of your singing skills because honestly,
Honestly, I used to be
good.
good at singing, but then voice cracks.
Exactly. So I'm not gonna judge you. I'm not gonna judge you. I can't sing good either, but I could say that you did okay.
I could probably do better on the Cuphead theme song because it's short and I love
Yeah.
it. With Firework, the
okay.
only version I like is John Tron cover.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Just give some respect to Dumb Hamster, aka the House Captain, for singing the whole song. And yeah,
Yeah, so yeah, that's gonna be that video for me. I'm embarrassed now.
I'm gonna leave the call so I can see the video, okay?
Yeah.
But yeah.
So that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed me dying inside. Bye.